video, I'm going to show you how to set up conditional highlighting in a table in the Keynote app. First, we have to open up the app. And here we have a document with a table in it. From here, we just click on the table, and then under cell here, we have conditional highlighting. We click on this, and here we can add a rule for the highlighting. For example, number is less than something, no, 5, and then it's going to be a red fill. We can also select the a cell and then add the highlighting to that, as you can see, and also we can clear our rules. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.